Hello everyone. Today we'll be making a crowd favorite broccoli cheddar soup. It is for my best friend Christina. It's her favorite, and I'm going down to North Carolina to go visit her. Well, I'm really going to South Carolina, but I'm stopping in North Carolina to go see her. I promised her some soup. So her favorite's broccoli cheddar, so you know we gotta make it. Listen, this is gonna be really good, really easy, using a mixture of fresh ingredients, a little bit of store-bought stuff to make it good, but I really think that's the best way to do it. So let me show you everything in the lineup. Everything is already cut, no cutting board, no cut and chat today, but we will be chatting, don't worry. I'll put you up by the stove while everything is cooking. But let's see what we got to work with. Also, I want to shout out Katie Akins. She got me this apron here, never bored of cooking. So first up we have, oh my God, I just spilled. Look at this. First up we have broccoli. This is 3 large heads of broccoli. Hold please. Then we have shredded carrots and celery, but I only had 1 stalk of celery, but this is 4 stalks of carrots, and this is 4 sticks of carrots and only 1 stalk of celery. I recommended 3 stalks of celery shredded. We have our mixture of garlic and onions. This is about a small and a medium onion, maybe about 2 cups worth. And this is also about 5 cloves of garlic, or 5 tablespoons, whatever you have. And we're also gonna need, dun, 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 5 cups of hand shredded cheese. Seriously amazing. This is the best way it's gonna melt. You need it. And now, this is the secret sauce, the liquid gold. This is going to help your cheese sauce emulsify. It's going to help everything become really, really homogeneous. Making a roux, making a cheese sauce could be a very, very hard thing to learn in the kitchen. I have done a lot of time doing it, and I still don't get it right every single time. So please, please, just try it out. And this is sharp cheddar, which cuts that weird kind of fake, I guess is for lack of a better word to call it. This cuts like the fake flavor, which sharp cheddar, original Velveta, seriously awesome. Another thing to add some flavor is the sour cream. This is really, really awesome. A little tang to it. I'm gonna say this is gonna be about a 1/2 cup. We got some milk. We got some 1/2 and 1/2. I'm gonna start out with 1/2 and 1/2. And then we will finish with milk. I will tell you the exact measurements once I actually do it, because this is actually the first time I'm making this. I read a few recipes, and I basically said, okay, sounds pretty good. I'm gonna try my own version of it, and then we'll see how it goes. Like, most recipes didn't have the onion and garlic, but I'm gonna put the onion and garlic because onion and garlic rule. But let's get into it, and I'll see you at the stove.
Okay, so we're gonna put our butter into melt. We're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tablespoons of butter. I sped this up for you because in real life, butter does not melt this fast, and wouldn't that be nice? So give it a stir, get your aromatics in, and got my onions and garlic. We're just gonna give these a stir and cook these until they're about translucent. I'll show you what they kind of look like the best I can. Oh, and before we do that, we're gonna have to season. You wanna season before and after, because what that is going to do is build a depth of flavor. And I also cut this a little bit because my pepper shaker literally takes forever, so you're welcome for that. This is the translucent I was telling you about. Season with salt and pepper before, season with salt and pepper after to taste when you're done. I'm gonna add in the broccoli. I'm gonna cook the broccoli for a little bit and then take it out, put it right back into this bowl. just because broccoli typically takes a little bit longer to cook. And once the cheese sauce is done, cheese sauce has a tendency to, I guess, kind of ball up if it's overcooked. And I don't want that to happen. So I want to cook my broccoli nice and thoroughly. And then once the cheese sauce is done, we add it in, and you will see later how it beautifully comes together. So now we're going to add our cheese. Gotta use Velveta. It is liquid gold. Don't be afraid. Don't feel like you're cheating the system. Don't feel like you're not using homemade ingredients. It is truly the key to any good cheese sauce. You heard it here first. We're going to add in our sour cream. This is my favorite thing to add to cheese sauce. I think it adds an awesome flavor, an awesome creaminess. I'm telling you, it's amazing. So now I'm just going to speed up the process here of me making the cheese sauce. So I'm going to put the camera here so you can see it nicey nice. Everything is starting to melt and become homogeneous and looking absolutely beautiful. So as I said earlier, I'm going to start with half and half. So I'm going to use a cup of half and half and add it slowly. This has been sitting out, so it is room temp. You don't want it to be cold or else it will shock the sauce. And then once I'm done with the half and half, I'm going to come in with the milk. I did have 2 cups here, but I ended up only using about a cup. And again, add until your desired thickness. I do add about 2 cups of vegetable broth at the end, and that also makes it a little bit thinner, so take that as you will. I'm going to add all the broccoli and vegetables later. But then you see me just adding cheese slowly, really making sure it's coming together nicely. As you can see, we have a really nice cheese sauce. Then right at the end, we're going to add our shredded carrots and our shredded celery and our cooked broccoli. This does not take long to heat up and really warm up, just because the carrots are so thin, the celery is so thin, broccoli is pre-cooked, and it looks to me like this soup is ready for eating.
Okay, looks like this week's soup is done, and let's see if it's any good. Soup slurp.
I dropped a piece of cheese.
Very good. I don't like it when it's too thick. Do you like it when it's thick?
Yeah.
Do you like it thick?
Yeah.
Oh, so you don't like this?
No, I think this is delicious because I like it hearty. Like Mom, she like purees it. I like when it's a little like you have a bit.
Well, I like that it's soup. I don't want it to be casserole. That's what I mean.
You can still have a thick soup and not have a casserole.
This is absolutely delicious.
How was my slurping? Did you get that? I think the drill wants some.
I think the broccoli is nice and crunchy.
I like the carrots.
I like the carrots too.
What a great snack.
Oh, what a great snack at
10:30 at night.
10:30 at night.
We were supposed to have this for dinner. Good thing I made dinner.
No, I just didn't make it. This came out exactly how I wanted it to. A hearty soup. It isn't too heavy. You can actually enjoy it because I feel like people like they love broccoli cheddar soup, and then you have like 3 bites and you're like, holy.
Yeah, it's full. Like I think Panera broccoli cheddar soup is slam banging, but it's
only
so
have 3
thick.
scoops.
Yeah, it's too thick. Like this is like. I think this tastes more like authentic, obviously.
Well,
You heard it here first.
thank you for watching. Maybe I'll ask for some clips of Christina when she tries it and we'll get her opinion, but if this is the last time I see you, thank you for watching as always, Soup Saturday. This is our 3rd soup now and we are moving right along. Like as always, leave comments about what I can make next, what people you want to see.
Besides me.
Besides Alexa. Alexa always likes to come and try, which, you know, you gotta have a good taste tester. Follow me on all my social media to keep up on what I'm posting, and I sometimes post some questions about what I should make or, you know, just day-to-day stuff. But thanks for watching, and you know, here, we're never bored, so I'll see you in the next one.